That's Mark Steiner and me. If you go to Mark Steiner, WEEA Radio, Dr. K. Mark Steiner did 2 interviews with me. He did one about letters design, and he did one about my trial when I was kidnapped in 2011. That's Congressman Raskin. Raskin was a delegate when I started this. That's Jazzy Lewis. All right? And that's Craig Zucker. That's Darnell Barnes. That's Kwesi Mfume, Johnny Oleski, Al Redmer. That's Clippinger and Jill Ivey. I own Shorty's. The Shorty's Underground. It's Black History Month. We told you it was going to make it a moment. I own me since 1998. I'm the chairman, the president, the treasurer, and the secretary. All right? So Jack Young, Speaker Jones, y'all got to defend my right to property. Stephanie Smith, I was making a documentary about the Democratic Party, the money y'all make off of black bodies. Monopoly, the Cheaters Edition. In 2011, I did Monopoly, and I gave y'all Monopoly. 2023, I'm giving you the Cheaters Edition. You're talking about identity theft, and the state participated in that. All right? We're talking about judges that knew about this. All right? Judge Marcella Holloman. That's Mayor Stephanie Rawlings Blake. That's Stephanie Rawlings Blake. That's Jack Young, Adrian Jones. That's Eric Holder from the Department of Justice. This is the case right here. I never got a trial. Right here, 2009. I never got a trial. And the state took property from me in Illinois and in Maryland. Congressman Cummings has a whole file on me. Congressman Cummings, Sarbanes, Mikulski, Van Hollen. Yeah. Delegate Stephanie Smith. And so does Wes Moore. All right? Get caught, get cuffed. Y'all getting ready to send them to jail? Well, you got 52 more members of the Democratic Party. If Nick Mosby and Marilyn Mosby want to stay out of jail, they need to start snitching. That's Delegate Stephanie Smith. She tied to this. That's Governor Larry Hogan and Al Redmer. Al Redmer and Larry Hogan, they made $500 million a year for the last 8 years. That's $4 billion off of slave labor. That's President Biden and the Department of Justice. And that's Governor O'Malley. We talking about the Democratic Party. Kidnapping charges against Scott Shellenberger. You see when I filed that? That's 2011. You see who got this? All right. Eddie Conway. All right. The Real News. Eddie Conway. Ethics Commission. The ACLU. All right. You see who got this? That's county. Everyone attached to this email has evidence and knowledge of my kidnapping in 2007. Everybody in this email. I'm a whistleblower. I'm a whistleblower in the courts. And like I said, you playing Monopoly, the Cheaters Edition. That's the IRS. I'm out $250 million. That's Jimmy Britton. He'll tell you how he met me. I'm a caterer. I'm a cook. I work for everybody in Baltimore. Somebody getting ready to go to jail. Monopoly, the Cheaters Edition. Get cuffed, get caught. So go to Mark Steiner. Get my interview. Get my paperwork. I never got a trial. I never got a trial. I don't get no justice. Y'all don't get no peace. You feel me? So Kwesi Mfume, Johnny Oleski, Clippinger. You got to defend my right to property. Shorty's Underground, like Harriet Tubman in the Underground Railroad. Like Frederick Douglass. Being black in America, 2023. Do blacks have rights? Well, you got to give me my right to property.